Hello everyone! So today we are going to look at Nature Mobiles. Beautiful temporary display that we can hang at home or in the garden. So there's just a few examples on there of what we're going to look at today. Okay, so it's really nice and simple. I've just had a little walk around the garden and found some stems, some sticks. I just found these on our habitat pile in the sensory garden. So I've just taken three little ones. You can break these to the length that you would like. So I'll start with this. I'll just show you with one, but you can add more onto this afterwards. So you've got a piece of string in your box. So I'm just going to take the scissors and cut around about an arm's length, and I'm just going to tie that around one side, do a double knot, 1, 2, and then the same on the other side. Two. So just holding that back, that's the start of our mobile. Okay, so I've been on a walk around the therapy garden, so you could walk in your back garden, or you can go for a nature walk. Just be careful about what you're taking and who you're taking it from, just be mindful of that. But wildflowers, if you're only taking a few, it's not a problem. So these are hellebores that we've got in our sensory garden here. I also just took some hebe leaves because I thought they picked out those kind of dark burgundy spots in the hellebore really nicely. Found some beautiful skimmia stems, which are just, the leaves have just burst from the bud. And you'll probably be seeing this everywhere. This is Forsythia. There's loads of that about at the moment, so that's nice and bright. And then some more yellow from the little daffodil tete-a-tete. And also we've got plenty of these. These are called grape hyacinths or muscari. So I thought all of those bits look nice together. I'm going to take some little bits, some short bits of string. I'll just cut 3 for now. Okay, and then I might just, to brighten up the main part of my mobile, maybe I'll just start by tying that one. What do you reckon? Just tie that down on one end. Double knots are nice and easy, and they're not too hard to unpick if you don't like what you've done. Or you can do a bow. Take another bit and tie up this end. Okay, there it goes. That's quite pretty already, look. Okay, and then I'll just start taking some of my flowers. I'll start with one of my hellebores. And I'm just gonna tie around the stem of my hellebore. You can do this exactly how you like. I'm just experimenting. So I've got my hellebore stem tied. And then what I think I'll do is maybe even tie that onto that string. Or you can tie it around the stem. But maybe this will give it a nice dangly effect. What's that look like? Nice. Imagine just doing that all the way along. Maybe I'll try that with a muscari, a grape hyacinth. That look nice dangling like that, do you reckon? Just need to cut a bit more string. 2. Love to see how you get on if you do manage to do this at home. Let's try that again. There we go. Starting to sort of take shape. So windy here in the garden. So I'm just going to keep tying. See what happens, basically. Might have a play for a bit longer, and then I'll show you my end result. Okay. Tie that one around there. Okay. Look at that. I love it already. Right, I'm going to play for a bit longer, and then I'll show you when I'm happy with the results. All right. Okay. So, been working on it for about 15 minutes so far. I mean, I could go on all day, but that's where I'm at now. So what I did was I put little posies together. So we've got some hellebore with some winter honeysuckle and some hebe. It smells amazing, the winter honeysuckle. And then I thought I'd have some stems dangling down, some more little posies. And I love it. I think that's really pretty. You could, if you wanted to, just tidy up some of the strings, make it look a bit neater. But yeah, and it might just need a bit of balancing. But you can do that for 5 minutes, you can do that for hours. And that's just been really nice to just zone out for a bit and focus on some beautiful things. Okay, have a go, let us know how you get on. Can't wait to see you next week, or actually this might be the last week for some of you, so I can't wait to see you on your return to the garden. Take care, thank you.